Good afternoon. I'm in Cocoa Beach, Florida. I'm at the Fish Camp and Grill. I've heard great things about this place. So let's go inside for a nice lunch and check it out. Some more of the Fish Camp and Grill. Hey, look at this. They got some pool tables back here. Really a nice place. People are just starting to come in. We're just opening here at the Fish Camp and Grill. Well, my hurricane drink has arrived and a backup water. Looks great. I got the classic burger here. Looks great. Classic burger and a hurricane drink. What more can you ask for? They even have a little outside bar area here. Beautiful. Here in beautiful, lovely Cocoa Beach, Florida. Great day here at the Fish Camp and Grill in Cocoa Beach, Florida. Good food, good drinks, good people. You got to come here and check it out. And it's only 1 block north of the Cocoa Beach Pier. So when you're in Cocoa Beach, Florida, go to the pier, come over here to the Fish Camp and Grill, have a good time, tell them Chris sent you, and you'll love this place, I'm telling you. So stay happy, stay healthy, take care of yourself, and we'll see you soon.